Hi, foodie friends. It is day one of my Mary's Mini Challenge, and I am batch cooking prepping for a busy, busy Monday. I've got my breakfast already. I've got some roasted russet potatoes. This is a grab and go breakfast since I'm going to be leaving early. It's just 5:45 right now. I've been up since 3 because I wanted to put in a great workout, get a lot of things done. I've got some frozen green beans, and so I'm going to heat those up and have these when I get to the office. I've had a little bit of tea, but for the go, I'm going to make some of this ticino. It's a mock coffee type thing, so it's decaf, all organic. Going to have that with a little bit of stevia and oat milk. For the green beans, when I heat those, I will put some dill pickle mustard on there and then have a apricot. I've got a veggie bag snack here with celery, carrots, cucumber, and some peppers. And just as a reminder, the challenge that we started to better manage inflammation in 3 areas of the body, that started on the 19th. We finished that, did a great job, just adding some simple self-care habits. And so starting over today, my weight was at 135.4 this morning after my workout. So we're adding phase 2, the nourish section. So that's where my coaching client's doing the Mediterranean diet. I am doing the starch solution, a Mary's Mini. So that's where my chosen starch potatoes is the star of the show. And for my lunch, then I am going to have some of that veggie mash I talked about in a previous video. I did all my batch cooking yesterday. So this is russet potatoes. I've got carrots, I've got cauliflower in here. I also added some spinach and some garlic and mashed that all up. For flavoring, I've got some barbecue sauce on here. And then going to have an apple in case I want that as a snack in the afternoon. I've got some broccoli that I'm going to heat up. So I'll heat this somewhere out in the field at a microwave somewhere. And then to flavor the broccoli, I've got this balsamic glaze. Now let me know in the comments if you've ever done a Mary's Mini for dinner tonight. I'm going to have veggie loaded hash browns and a little bit of some herbal tea. Probably going to have this ginger turmeric herbal tonight in the evening before I get on to the rest of the challenge. We're still icing and elevating and doing the lymphatic belly massage. My coaching client loves that in the evening. I'm looking for another one. So check back. Day one. I'm so excited to see what happens over this 7 days. Thank you so much for watching.